So I'm at the Styx River RV Resort and down in close to Mobile, Alabama. Anyway, they got a little nature trail here down to the Styx River, so I'm gonna get a little video of that. So that's pretty cool. Styx River, just a short hike down to the river, and apparently there's some tubing company that they'll take you in the tubes up to a certain point and let you tube down the river or kayak. I'm gonna probably do that one of these days I'm here. I'm gonna go look into it today. The guy said, I asked somebody about it, he said it's about an 8-hour float, which is that's a pretty long day. So I'm gonna go make sure that I got all the right info so I can start early if I do it one of these days. But anyway, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And remember, not all those who wander are lost. Thanks for watching.